Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Sharon's release date was officially announced, and SHIB will soar next week. Today's Shiba Inu news. Shiba Inu is a 2-year-old meme coin initiative that is gradually developing into an ecosystem that can support itself. The adoption of cryptocurrencies might be greatly accelerated if the dog-themed currency is successful. In this video, we'll discuss the recently revealed Sharon release date as well as SHIB's potential to soar next week. Today's Shiba Inu news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right away. Shiba Inu's price may be suffering from the current crypto winter, but its ecosystem's growth initiatives are undoubtedly not. The Shiba Metaverse development team has revealed Tech Trench, a new concept artwork that aims to show off the appearance of their metaverse. The goal of the Tech Trench Hub was to create an immersive experience that showcases the various stages of development for certain technologies from ancient times to the current hyper-technological world, the team wrote in a blog post on Wednesday. The blog entry said, "This hub allows for a deeper connection with cultural reassurance and lessons learned from the innovative and daring journey Shiba, as a project and community, has endured." Additionally, the hub, which was developed in collaboration with renowned visualization studio, The Third Floor, TTFD, will contribute to the preservation and exhibition of cultural learning opportunities for everyone who visits and will assist to mold the future of decentralized ecosystems and educational foundations. The center, depicted in black and white drawings, incorporates architectural concepts from more than 6 global places, such as the Rox Learning Center in Switzerland, Tsinghua University in China, Mode Geiken Kokum Tower in Japan, and Yale and Princeton institutions in the United States. The most recent disclosure coincides with developers advancing a number of initiatives to join Sharon, the native metaverse of Shiba Inu. The pinnacle of Shiba Inu's history as a community will then be virtually showcased in March of this year through the Shibarium metaverse. Scenic Dooms, a new concept art that would function as a sort of oasis, was shown earlier this week by the team. It features a huge, formed atmosphere of an adventurous and modern area, replete with flashy structures and cooling waters. The ecosystem's primary developer, Satoshi Kusama, who previously declared that he is concentrating on Sharon, alluded to an enigmatic but possibly bullish milestone today. The initial design was accepted. "I can now go all out." Kusama tweeted, "Let the debris show itself as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world," implying some significant news, either Shibarium or the mobile game Shiba Eternity 2. The price of SHIB has been repressed as the crypto contagion rabbit hole deepens, despite new announcements from SHIB developers igniting investors' enthusiasm. The leading meme token has dropped over 12% in the last week, despite rising in late October. As the market calms down and the debut of Shibarium draws closer, the price may rise. Following a 1.27% decline over the previous day, SHIB was trading at 0.912 at the time of writing. It could be helpful to purchase SHIB in order to be ready for the impending economic collapse. As a result, you will discover hundreds of distinct businesses with a psychological level of 0.0000001. Throughout the week, the movement picked up even more speed, albeit still at a considerable distance. In the upcoming weeks, traders need to be mindful that 0.0000005 might be on the horizon and might set a new multi-year low. Following the Luna stablecoin fiasco from before the summer, Shiba's price is expected to publish a poor performance. The abrupt default of FTX provided traders with escape from that predicament. A large cryptocurrency broker named Genesis stopped making withdrawals and repayments when the crypto asset class was still shaky at its core. As a result, SHIB is not in a good position because of the negative sentiments and implications associated with its overall moniker. It will take time for the dust to settle. This is the final decline for SHIB traders, though should more losses occur in the wake of the FTX disaster. The price of Shiba may drop even lower, to 0.0000005, before trying and setting new lows. Expect a gradual but steady return to bullish buying if the dust settles over the course of next week and the upcoming weeks as the FTX contagion is subdued. Given that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is trading extremely close to the oversold level and is poised for a greater bounce, it would make sense. This could indicate that the price of Shiba Inu may rise over the monthly S1 support level and hover around 0.00000001 before continuing to rise due to more tailwinds. For SHIB to flourish, a feeling of community is essential. The community has consistently supported SHIB's expansion, whether they insist on having it listed on Robinhood or request that McDonald's accept it as a form of payment. A sizable community of NFT artists who specialize on Shiba Inu dogs in their artwork has also sprung up there. It's important to understand that what we're seeing is the mass movement of traders new to crypto moving into the space, rather than just dismissing the hype outright, said Ben Caslin, head of research and strategy at AAX. SHIB coin is a meme coin and embraces that, he continued. It will switch to the proof of stake, POS, consensus method from the proof of work, POO, consensus mechanism since it is based on the Ethereum platform. The forthcoming Ethereum 2.0 shift will undoubtedly have an effect on the currency's growth as well. We need to be aware that different analysts' forecasts for the market differ greatly. Since experts are not always able to foretell events like political or environmental crises, these predictions will frequently turn out to be incorrect. It is sense for investors to do their own research before making a cryptocurrency investment, particularly one as volatile as SHIB. For example, according to a Changelly blog post, specialists have examined SHIB pricing and market movements and have concluded that the cryptocurrency may reach as high as 0.000000548 and as low as 0.0000004,183, with its average price staying at 0.000004335. Its potential return on investment for the aforementioned year is estimated to be 3,122%. According to certain cryptocurrency analysts, the price of Shiba coin may reach a new all-time high in 2025, Telegon agreed. Conversely, they are not overly optimistic about its price increase in 2022, despite the fact that they anticipate burning enough tokens this year. They estimate that SHIB's minimum and maximum prices will be 0.000009839 and 0.000001928, respectively. It was estimated to have an average price of 0.000001152. Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, proudly states in his Twitter bio that he is totally dedicated on Shibum. The SHIB army had been waiting a long time for the announcement made by the enigmatic coder on Wednesday night. Mr. Kusama declares, initial design approved, adding that it's time to step up. The best way to describe Shibum is as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world. The SHIB development team is now working on Shibum testing. The Layer 2 method was initially tested on the collectible card game Shiba Eternity, which was released on October 6, 2022. Shiba Eternity's official player's manual, which is 1,100 pages lengthy, was recently written by Satoshi Kusama. The mobile version of the well-liked card game sets the stage for future Satoshi NFTs, even though the blockchain version hasn't been released yet. However, the SHIB development team has other projects in the works besides Shibum. While Shiba Eternity is being developed by Playside Studios, Shib, the Metaverse, the meme coin's own Web 3.0 project, is also moving forward in collaboration with the Third Floor, TTF. In collaboration with the XF Fund, the Layer 2 upgrade that will power SHIB's 3 future projects is currently in construction. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you require any additional refinements, please let me know.